Hello Facebook users. Need to quickly exit the group? In this guide, I'll show you how to gracefully leave a Facebook group. This way only the admin will know you left. Here we will only talk about you being a member of a certain group. If you are not a member of a certain group, you will stop right here. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook app, dark blue app with white F logo. Step 2. Log in if not already logged in. Step 3. Navigate to groups. Step 4. Tap the icon, bottom right on iPhone, top right on Android. Step 5. Scroll down and select Group. Step 6. Select Group. Tap the group you want to leave. Step 7. Leave the group. Tap Join below the cover photo. Step 8. Select Leave Group and confirm your choice. If you have completed the steps, congratulations on leaving the group that you no longer want to be in. If someone cares about you, they will notice you leave. We hope this information will be useful to you. Thank you and see you in the next videos on the channel.